Good evening, everyone. Today I will just give you an introduction how to install your IKEA remote light. Okay, you have the remote here. Okay, first thing you need to open the back cover. Okay, okay. There is a button behind here. You need to press it 4 times, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you will have this light is blinking. Okay, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you'll have it blinking. You just put it near the light. Okay, for approximately 10 seconds. Okay, and it will be now connected to the light directly. Okay, yeah, let's just close it and you open it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and after that keep pressing, the back button. Okay, you will see the light is changing now. It's changing now. Still. Yeah, I think now it's fine. So when you do it like this, we are okay. Yes. So 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep it near to the light and keep pressing stick on the button for like approximately 10 seconds. Okay, and hopefully you will have and for sure you will have it working fine and properly. Okay, thank you for watching, and no need for subscribe or anything, just like, and thank you so much and have a great day. Okay, bye bye. And there is another website you can just search in Google. Yeah, you can search in Google how using IKEA remote or dimmer. Okay, like the same idea I told you. No need for subscribe. Bye bye. Have a great day.